So after long waiting for this, it's finally here. Juniaer Tucano T-27 from Brazil. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna take out of the plastic. Look at these wings. We got two right here. This is the bar for the wing. So these are the stabilizers. This is the canopy. When I need to mess around with the prop. Way to go. Love it. Look at these details. Now, I don't know if you can see it from here, but all of these are supposed to imitate the rear airplane that's been in service. So it's got the weathering marks. So this plane's been used. That's what it imitated. Obviously, this is a brand new airplane. Special thanks to Elton, who's been with me since the day I started the process to purchase until delivery, which is amazing. I'm very happy with this. I am really happy. You can see all the details they have for lights, navigation lights. They have also in the box the little details to cover. I'll be showing you in a little bit. Stabilizer. Look at the detail. This is just beautiful. And here, that's your drawer for your servo. Now they recommend to do an external link, but I'm literally considering doing internal because you have plenty space here to do that. But I'm still studying that. It looks so real, like it feels like it's, you know, dirt being washed on the elevator, but that's the detail that they make of weathering, and it's just phenomenal. It's really good. Really great job, guys. Wow. Look at this handle. I mean, this rudder. Look at the detail of the trim. It is just phenomenal.